And during one of my research, I found that Italy provides a free education. Going to Europe is not too expensive, and now I'm going to Slovakia.
It's a lot of rat race happening. So, which struggle is worth struggling? That is very important to understand.
There are many other European countries which also offer us the I'm Yashwant and I'm from Hyderabad, Telangana. And I completed my 12th grade a year ago. And when I was browsing through internet to find a good consultancy to send me to Europe, I met HEC in YouTube and then I contacted them and they have sent me many other countries which provide the same degree as Europe. And after having a talk with them, I understood that there are more countries than Italy. And now I'm going to Slovakia and soon I'll be writing my Italy exam too. If I get lucky, I might get into Italy. But Slovakia is a good country.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Higher Education Center Principal Overseas. Today with us we are having Yashwant. He is going for Faculty of Medicine in Communist University Slovakia, which global ranking is around 600. Have you faced any challenge while you were looking and searching about the universities? You wanted to do medicine, but in India there are of course a lot of cutoff and everything.
Actually, initially I don't know anything about these foreign countries and education in foreign countries. Initially, I thought that Russia was a good place to go where we can get our MBBS education in a budget. Later, I found that Russia and Georgia and all other countries, they don't have much value as we compare to European one. And during one of my research, I found that Italy provides a free education.
Yes.
And also Italy universities are one of the best universities when I compare to Russia, because so many people will be going, like thousands of people will be going, and everyone will be coming back to India because no one is gonna live in Russia. And I thought that going to European country will also help me in PG studies. Going to UK and any other countries. With HEC, I found that there are many other European countries which also offer us the education we want, which is accepted in India and widely accepted.
I think you said already. Like currently, you got the information that there is a country or there are a group of countries from where you can actually practice or your license is valid in 30 plus developed countries, including UK. As soon as you heard about this information, what were your thoughts on that thing?
Actually, I never heard that we could go to those many countries in Europe. After talking to HAC, I found that there are few set of people who go to other European countries, which also have the same benefits as all these countries, but which are not very popular. But it's a very good destination.
Yes. As you are going to Communist University, that's world ranking is around 600. So it's even better than our own aims.
Yes.
Yeah, right?
Yes.
So do you feel proud in that saying that okay, you are going to be a very world-renowned university?
Yes, ma'am. I'm very happy that I got selected into JFU, which is a part of Communist University.
And now you're going to study in university which ranks above, like you must have tried in India also. But you would have thought that getting into the AIIMS is something next to impossible, like you can never. But now you're going to the college, which world ranking is even higher than that. And your license will give you an option to pursue as a doctor in multiple countries, including UK, like one of the highly demanded or dream country of Indian students, right? So how you felt like about that?
It's also good to tell my friends that I study in a very good university. But I can say that it's one of the best colleges in the world. And
you must have given some interview exams. How was the experience in that?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I have given an exam for JFU. It was not too easy and not too tough. They just check that if our foundation is strong and if I'm capable to study medicine in that country. And the interview I took for Hungary is also very good. I mean, they were very supportive.
I guess you got admission from Hungary as well?
I applied a little late.
Okay.
If I would do it a little earlier, it would be
Yeah.
different.
So early application always works, that we can
yes,
say.
it's always better to apply as early as possible. 'Cause
It will open up more broader opportunities and more options to choose from.
and it's more like a first come first serve.
You can study and work in multiple countries. So what are your plans, like after studying from Slovakia? Which countries are like in your bucket list? As soon as you will enter to Slovakia, you would like to visit. In medical profession, studies are quite higher, but at the end you are going to Europe,
Yes.
right? Because it's of course a dream destination for all of us, the Europe, the countries. So
My dream destination is Switzerland and a part of Italy and France. If I have any holidays where I can, which I can use it for go on a vacation, I will definitely visit Switzerland.
if any other student who is sitting there watching this,
Yes.
what piece of advice from your journey you would give to them?
I think it's better to put the same amount of money we put in BCAT or CCAT into European country, because we will get a good life in Italy and we can have a high paying job. And I think Europe is a very good destination because under 1 crore, even India can't provide
Good
such
point.
a good thing.
People say like the countries like studying MBBS or studying any subject particularly is in particular Schengen countries is quite a difficult, like there's a lot of paperwork and everything. How would you describe the process with HEC?
Actually, HEC managed the whole process, so it was not too tough for me. It's a good experience with HEC, and HEC will do the documentation part, so you don't need to worry so much. You need to do the basic part, which is giving your documents to HEC in a proper way they ask for. It's a mandatory process, and I support it, and it's a good one.
Yes.
And even though the process is a bit tough in Europe, but it's very worth it.
We need to understand if we have to like even put extra effort or extra struggle to something, so which struggle is worth struggling? That is very important to understand. So before coming to HEC and everything, have you ever imagined like you can go to the top European countries? Of course, every young youth has a certain thought in their mind that okay, if they want to have their college life, it should be in a certain way. They don't want to struggle or in just be in a rat race. Okay, now this completed, now again examination, this, that. So it's a lot of rat race happening to these girls right now. They can make sure that I land into my dream country. I can land into where I needed to be there. I have dreamt to be there.
Initially, I thought that the USA colleges are the only thing which are in the top. I never knew that Italy, Switzerland, Hungary, even Slovakia, Latvia, Lithuania, every country has a good ranking. I never knew that. But after meeting HEC, I got to know that Europe has so many top colleges. And these colleges are not as difficult as USA. Even I was hesitant. But after talking to some of your students and you have arranged so many things for me, but HEC never
Disappointed you.
disappointed me.
As you mentioned the fact that okay, USA, you have thought that UK, USA or USA are the only countries where you can actually study. But MBBS in Slovakia gives you that world-class education, and that too at the fraction of cost of UK and USA.
Yes.
So when you told this to your family, you need not to like be so much heavy on your pocket or something, and you can have the same quality of education in a fraction of a cost you're going to involve. What was your thought in that thing?
Going to Europe is not too expensive as we study MBBS in BCAT or CCAT in India. It's very, it's same as the Indian one, but we get a good life there.
Yes.
And also in some of the European countries, we also get scholarship, which
Yes.
makes us independent from depending on parents.
For sure, the parents must be so proud of you. In any part of world, doctors are the most celebrated profession. They're the most noble profession, and you're going to follow the same.
Yes.
And that too, like from a developed country, world ranking so high, you have the access or like your license validity in multiple countries. No worries to PG options and everything. You will have it all. Experiencing a good European life. So I wish you all the best. And it was really great talking to you, you shared all the experience with the viewers and everything. Just so good.
I have received every receipt from you.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So in that manner, the communication and everything needs to be transparent.
Yes.
and that transparency builds up a very long-term relationship. So there must be some relationship with us, HEC and Yashwant, and which we will see him growing in life, and we will definitely catch up him somewhere in the Europe. Our team members will catch up him in Europe, and we might have another interview with you doing some PG, and we will be more than grateful to see Yashwant doing great in his life.
And also, I'm happy that I'm part of HEC.
We come to an end of this video. I hope you guys have got some inspiration that one decision at one correct time is going to change his life, and it could change yours too. So yes, without any further delay, always have that confidence in you that yes, you can do big in your life. Higher Education Center by Thora Overseas is going to be there with you in every step. Thank you.
Contact Higher Education Center and study at the best universities of the world to become the best version of yourself.